I guess one regret I will have when facing death is not having lived my life true to myself and instead living up to others' expecting so much. What is a regret of the dining? Other regrets might include not spending enough time with loved ones or not pursuing some dreams. I wish I would have the courage to live a life true to myself, not the life others expected of me. I wish I had not worked so hard and missed out on spending time with my loved one. I wish I had had the courage to express my feelings and speak my mind. I wish I had stayed in touch with my friends. I wish that I had let myself be happier and enjoy life more. In my final day, highlighting the themes of regret and living the authentically and meaningfully. Living life to its fullest can be truly magnificent. Some of the most wonderful things about life included forming deep and meaningful relationships, experiencing personal growth and learning, pursuing my passion and dreams, making positive impact on others, and finding moments of joy and great gratitude and everyday experiences. It is a unique journey for each individual, filled with opportunity to appreciate the beauty of the world and the connections I make. If technology creates mass chaos, loneliness, more polarizations, more election hackings, more inability to focus on the real issues we are host, we are in trouble and facing distraction or defeat. Experts suggested that we can say the best part of social media and do away with the worst ones to avoid it becoming toast. wins the vote determines the SANRIO Character Popularity Ranking. SANRIO is known for its adorable and fancy worldview. Hello Kitty is loved all over the world. My melody has a warm and friendly atmosphere. Good Time has a lazy appearances. What SANRIO character that would you recommend from among these SANRIO characters? Characters we loved when we were young because less interesting as we get older, and we remember them less and less. Many people must have had such experience. Many have set targets but usually fall out of them when their life stage changes. However, there are some characters that continues to be loved by a wide range of ages. What is the difference? The meaning of a small gift fosters a great friendship and wanted to nurture a character. It is important how to get the customer to support the characters. To this end, we are taking both real and digital approaches to create points of contact between the characters and customers. Some real characters such as Hello Kitties boast a high recognition rate of over 90%. However, high recognition alone does not necessarily translate into business. It is important to be remembered when necessary, and it is necessary to have an opportunity to be reminded of them. To this end, it is important to keep the relationship with customers improve along the experiences such as these and by spreading the word of social networking sites. Their contact points include the SANRIO Stories, SANRIO Pure Land, a theme park where customers can meet the characters, character cafes where we're demanding the increase due to the popularity of Instagram. On the digital side, we have prepared customers contact points of different purposes, such as also websites, online stories, and SNS. Each of these has been tailored to match Sanrio's worldview, so that there is no difference in the customer experiences. By taking a comprehensive view of customers' contact points that span digital and real life, the company is providing a special body and empathy that is even closer to customers. There is a big gap between what they know and what they can hold in their hands. When you want to give someone a gift or create a happy memory with a person, what you need is to make them remember you. The days of a buy it and be done with it in or over. Many companies are beginning to shift to a business that begins after purchases. However, few of them are trying to build long-term relationships with their customers as much as Sanrio. In order to remain the brand of choice for generations to come, companies must continue to face their customers and work to build relationships with them even as their life stage changes.